Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Alan and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at my in-laws house again, and if you're new to this series, my in-laws house was hit by a tornado at the end of 2019, and basically we're just helping them remodel their house and kind of rebuild it and add on to it, basically all at the same time. And today we're going to try, let me spin this camera around here for a second. We're going to try to basically demolish this entire part of the house right here. Hopefully we'll be gone by the end of the day. And then if we can, we're going to try to put up walls and hopefully get a roof over that section of the house, because we really need to get this roof line done. That way we can get like tar paper and metal. It's going to have a metal roof on the top of it. But we really need to get the roof on. That way we don't have to keep messing with covering this roof up with tarps because stuff's just getting wet anytime it rains. So hopefully we can get that done today, and I'll film everything that we work on. Hope you enjoy the video. We're taking a break real quick, so I was going to show you guys just a little bit of our progress today so far. So far all we've done is take all the decking off of the roof, and now we're going to try to take the trusses off and hopefully take the walls down. But yeah, we're just relaxing for a minute because it is pretty hot today again, probably in the 80s or so. We're just about to take a break for lunch, but just to show you guys real quick kind of our progress for the day. So far we've got all the trusses off of the roof, so now this is just like a wide open garage sort of. I think after lunch we're going to try to tear out this wall right here and also this wall over here. This wall here is actually going to be put back, so we're probably just going to take it off and try to move it out of the way, and then a new slab is going to be, put across all of this, and it's going to be a little bit higher up than this level is over here. It's just slightly higher. You guys can't really tell it on camera, I don't think, but it's just a few inches higher. So we have to get that wall out of the way so we can pour a slab across this whole thing. That's probably going to be all we'll get done today, just taking off those walls. And then after that we'll have to have somebody come pour concrete before we'll be able to do much else. But we're going to take a break for lunch. Alright guys, we're just about to wrap it up for today. I think we're about to cover up the house with the tarp a little bit more. But just to show you what we got done, while we were all here, instead of just waiting on a concrete guy, so we can't do anything until that concrete's poured, we went ahead and put this wall up here. And then the way we anchored these, I'll show you. So we just filled some of these blocks with concrete. And then, of course, like you see, like one of these bolts here. But we did the same thing down there. Just that bolt's ring into concrete, and then they should just be able to put concrete right up to the bottom of that 2x4, I think, or something like that. I don't know exactly. But yeah, this will all be filled in with concrete. So we got that wall put up today. We didn't get this totally demoed today. We decided to go ahead and put up the walls while we were all here because that requires a little more work than demoing these walls does. That doesn't take too long. We got to clear all this stuff out. This will all have new concrete over it. And we also went ahead and framed in this wall over here. So you can see now that kind of our idea with the roof line, how it just continues on out from that part of the house. And this will, of course, all have that new higher roof on it. But that's pretty much all we've got done today. We'll probably do just a little bit more before we wrap up, but just some small little things. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more of us working on this house. Thanks again. We'll see you guys in the next one.